Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Sayyid Haider. So, as you can see, currently I am in Geneva, and in Geneva you see uh, uh, you can see on the background there is a United Nations headquarters in Geneva, and there are flags of United Nations. The countries that are in the United Nations, there are flags of every country, and also the one of the landmark here in Geneva is this the sign for the broken chair. The broken chair sign is here, and this broken chair sign is basically representing the the all over the world the civilians are killed in the war, and due to this war you see this back chair, like you can see, this is a chair, but it has only 3 legs. One of the leg is broken, one of the chair leg is broken, so it has only 3 legs. So this broken leg is representing this broken leg of this chair. The fourth broken leg, you see behind me, fourth broken leg here is representing, it represents the symbol of brutality and the fragility and the strength of explosive weapons that are used by different countries in the war, or this broken leg is basically represent the the handicap international the war countries, and also anti-personnel mine and the cluster bombs that were used in the mountain in 2008, and and basically this symbol represent the war torn the populations. Civil war is not good for the people, that is not right for the individual, this war. And also you can see there's a protest going on behind me. There's a protest going on, this protest. So this is Geneva basically, and